Chance Cars Ltd is pleased to present this outstanding 2016 Honda CR-V 2.0 I-Vtec senior SUV. This is a petrol manual four-wheel drive Euro 6 model with 66,017 miles and just one previous owner. You can be confident that this car is in great condition with service history and MOT valid until the 23rd of March 2026. This Honda CR-V comes packed with excellent features that make every drive comfortable and enjoyable. It has front and rear parking sensors for easy parking in tight spaces. It includes a built-in satellite navigation system to guide you wherever you go. The electric folding mirrors make it simple to park and protect your car in narrow areas. You also get Bluetooth connectivity so you can make hands-free calls and stream your favorite music. Automatic headlights and high beam adjustment make night driving safer and easier. And for those cold mornings, the front heated seats bring extra comfort and warmth. Every car we present at Chance Cars Ltd is prepared to a high standard, both inside and out. We take pride in delivering cars that look and feel excellent. We also include a free 12 months RR breakdown cover subject to terms and conditions. Please note that an admin fee will be applied on all third-party finance. Now let us tell you a bit about who we are. Chance Cars Ltd is an independently owned, family-run motor dealer based in Sutton, Surrey. We are experienced suppliers of excellent condition pre-owned cars, and we truly care about our customers. We are proud to have received the Autotrader Customer Choice Award for 6 years in a row. We always strive to deliver the best possible customer experience. But do not just take our word for it, read our more than 208 great reviews from satisfied customers. On our website you will find more information about our latest selection of quality used cars available for sale. For your peace of mind, all our cars are pre-inspected and all necessary vehicle data checks are completed before we hand over the keys. Our pricing is transparent and competitive, constantly monitored to ensure our stock offers good and great prices every day. Buying your next car from Chance Cars Ltd means buying with confidence, quality, and trust. We look forward to helping you find your next perfect car. Chance Cars Ltd is a highly rated, family-run dealership in Sutton, London, proudly offering quality used cars with honest service and unbeatable value. With a 4.95 Autotrader rating and up to 6 months warranty plus RR breakdown cover, we make sure you drive away with confidence. Visit us today and experience car buying the way it should be: simple, transparent, and friendly.